All right, so we want to find the equation of the line that passes through the points 3, 5, and 6, 3. We're going to start by finding our slope. So our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is the rise over the run, the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to label my points. We want to make sure we have a consistency here with what's x1 and y1. Then we're going to plug those into our slope formula. So now m is equal to 3 minus 5 over 6 minus 3. And it doesn't matter which point you select as point 1 and point 2, you will get the same result in the end. So here we get negative 2/3. So I'm going to just make a note here that m is negative 2/3. And now I need to pick one of my 2 points. And it doesn't matter which of the 2 I pick. I'm going to stick with the one I labeled x1, y1. But you could pick 6, 3 as well. So our point is 3, 5. And I'm going to move these down. And this now becomes a new type of problem. So originally we had 2 points. Now we have a point and a slope. So we're going to go to our slope point formula. So we know that y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So again, y and x will stay what they are, but y1 is 5, x1 is 3, and m will be negative 2/3. So we're just going to plug all those in. So we rewrite our formula out with our values placed, and we get y minus 5 is equal to negative 2/3 times x minus 3. We will use the distributive property to simplify this. So we get negative 2/3 x, and then a negative times a negative is always a positive. So we're going to end up with 6 over 3, which is just 2. And we'll go ahead and show every step. You could just write 2 there right away. Now we're going to add 5 to both sides. So our equation becomes y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7. And that's it. That's the entire equation that goes through the points 3, 5, and 6, 3. And that's currently in the slope intercept form. If the problem had asked us to put it in the standard form, which some problems will and some won't, then we'd have to do additional work. So if it didn't tell us what to do, that would be our answer. If you want to put it in standard form, I'm going to rewrite the problem as we found it. We need to solve it for standard form by moving x to the same side as y. So we add the 2/3 x. And then we have to get rid of the fractions. We've got 2/3 x plus y is equal to 7. And we're going to multiply everything by 3. That will get rid of the fraction. The 3's will cancel on the 2/3. We get 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. And that is the standard form of the equation.